Hello there, this is Gabriel and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about Instagram shadow ban. This is a huge topic at the moment. People don't know what to do. They are not reaching as many people as they used to. I'm talking about team pages, meme pages, business pages, personal brands. Everyone is being affected by this. So they post something and they're not reaching the followers or new people, so they're getting frustrated because they're putting so much time into creating the content and their content is not getting out there. So what should you do? So make sure you stay until the end of the video because I have the best strategy to get out of the shadow ban. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, you need to stop doing the spammy behavior that goes against Instagram policies. What I mean by this is the follow for follow, like for like, comment for comment, the bots buying follows, likes, comments, or any bot services out there or services that integrate with your account without having the right KPI that connects with Instagram. This is huge. So don't do this behavior. It will only damage your own account. So make sure you think twice before you start doing any of these shady things that people do to grow the accounts on Instagram. Number 2, creating daily high quality content that incentivizes the shares and also the saves. This is super important, even more than the likes. So make sure you create content that teaches and also entertains your audience. So Instagram sees that you have quality content and they start pushing your content out every single time. Tip number 3, this is the last tip to get out of the Instagram shadow ban. So pay close attention. Before we start, make sure you like this video if it brought you some value and also subscribe to the channel if you want more Instagram optimization or content creation tip so you start creating content that's relevant to your target audience. So the last tip is to start promoting every single post for $1 for a period of 30 days. Let me walk you through the process so you know how to get started with this tip, okay? So we go to our phone. So this is my Instagram profile and this is the only time we're going to be clicking the button that's called promote. It's only to get out of the shadow ban. But if you want to do Facebook and Instagram ads, make sure you do it from the Facebook Ads Manager. But to get out of the shadow ban, we're going to click the promote button after we post. We click promote. So what you're going to see is this page first, which is reach new people, your profile, your website, and your direct messages. So you're going to click reach new people, so click create promotion. After this, you're going to click your profile. Then you click next. And if your account is talking about credit, employment, or housing, make sure you check the first feature. If not, just leave it like that. Then Instagram targets people like your followers. If you have a big following that's real, you can use that one. If not, you're going to create your own target audience. This is one that I already created of people that talk about digital marketing, business, and e-commerce. But if you want to create your own, you can click create your own. Then inside the audience, we're going to put a name. We put digital marketing for this example. Then we click locations. And if you are an English speaking account, we select the T4 countries, which are the top 4 countries. So we search for United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. Then we click done. Then we're going to pick interest. This will align with your niche and everything that you post every single day. So we click interest. And for this account, we put digital marketing, e-commerce, and we can add a suggested like social media marketing. As you can see on top of the screen, my potential people reach is in gray, which is green. So make sure yours is the same. We click done. And the age, I want to advertise to 20 and up. Make sure you don't hyper target your age and gender. The broader, the better. So I'm going to leave it from 20 to 65, male and female. So we click done. This is a side note for local-based businesses that need to show this ad to people that's nearby the location. So when you create your audience, you click create your own, you fill up the name of the audience, and inside locations, you put local. And then if you are inside your location at the moment, you can set up your current location, but if you are in a different place, you can put the address of your business, and then you put a radius of 20 miles. Then you click done, and then you don't need to do interest targeting, but you're actually showing your ad to people that's around your business. So we have our digital marketing audience selected, so we click next. And the budget, we're going to put it for $1 for 1 day. Then the last page will be about our confirmation page. We click next. So we can preview our promotion right here. We can see our destination. We can also see the action button, which is visit Instagram profile, our audience that we created, and the budget and duration, which is $1 for 1 day. And we see our payment method at the end. So then we click create promotion, and then it's gonna review it and start running the promotion for 1 single day. Make sure you follow these steps for a period of 30 days to get your momentum back. This is to get out of the shadow ban. So it's a total investment of $30, but you'll be reaching quality people once again. So also stop the spammy behavior for good. This is hurting your account more than it's helping. So make sure you stop the follow for follow, like for like, comment for comment, also the bots, buying followers, DM groups, Telegram, all of these features that are hurting your account. Is a fictitious number that makes people believe, but the Instagram algorithm and systems, they know what's going on. So stop that for good. Also, if you want to run Facebook and Instagram ads for your own personal brand or business, don't click the promote button. This is only for the shadow ban problem. So if you want to run it, I have a ton of free content that will teach you how to run campaigns successfully for your account. So there are many videos in the description and also at the end of this video. So make sure you check them out so you learn how to run campaigns successfully. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you like this video if this brought you some value, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I will see you in the next one. Take care.